get birthed in the murder capital. Yo, man's dying, people that heard of the murder laugh at you. You send shots and guys in the curse of the murder after you. Like why is we glorifying it? Product of my environment, choppers and Glocks firing. How you expect kids to watch them and not follow them? They think that shit real, cause why is we glorifying it? Why is we glorifying it?
YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy everydesignerron. I'm back with another video. And yeah, man, I just got off of work. I don't know if y'all seen that, but if y'all did, then oh well. Just got off work, working at Target, little red shirt. But yeah, man, we about to change this tire at Target because I got a flat. So yeah, I'm about to turn on this little ignition, like I'm about to put my key in the ignition. Hold on, no self-control, y'all know, anti-social club. But yeah, man, it's cold as fuck out here. I ain't got no coat on. And yeah, I'm just about to change this tire for y'all. I already got it jacked up and everything. It took me a minute to jack it up, but oh well, we putting a donut on anyways until we get to the tire shop. Yeah, just checking myself out, looking at all my goddamn acne. And yeah, we about to start the car, flip the cam. All right, so look, as we start the car, y'all gonna see check engine light come on, go off, brake thing go on, go off, seatbelt. Tire pressure is at 0 though, y'all see that shit? Death attempted. I mean, somebody tried to break into my shit, but it was me trying to break into my own shit. Vehicle information, tire pressure 0. Like, what the fuck, oil light 76. That's the sensor for the tire. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all this bitch. Damn, Ryan, you need some gas. I'm about to show y'all this motherfucking tire though. Look at the jack. Look at the tire, man. Y'all see that fucking dent in my shit? Like, damn, that bitch raked up right there. Yeah, that shit's wicked. So we about to take this bitch off. Starting with these little caps that I've already loosened up. Gotta make sure that we keep all of them though. Damn, somebody just pulled up behind me. I'm not, yeah, behind me. Look at my dirty ass hands already. Alright, man, let's try to take these motherfuckers off. Make sure that y'all grab it. Boys, in your hands. Look at my roses. See what they say. Yeah, junkie car right now, man. I'm gonna see all the way back. See broke. There's a lot of shit going on. But I'll be back once I take this goddamn tire off. I gotta kick that bitch before that bitch fall off. Yeah. You turn the car off now. Grab this. Most important tool of the day. Alright, we're about to kick that bitch in. Just feel right off. You feel me? You just see that motherfucking broke tire down. Y'all see the little dents. Look at my caliber that I put on though. Man, I'm so fucking sweet. Nigga put on a whole brake caliber and changed his brake pads. My dad did the other side though, cause I ain't feel like doing that shit. This one side fucked me up, man. Me out there all day. All my tools and shit. Camera utensils. Now, going back in the back to pull this goddamn thing. We got a living baby. Alright, I'll be back, man. Alright, man, we back. We're back in the truck. Y'all see the gut on this sign? We have to put a bag on that bitch because that bitch broke. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know if that's important or not, but definitely taking that bitch out. Sweet gas on it. That bitch on the ground. Look at the size difference, bro. Like, damn. God damn. Drop this motherfucking donut down. Size 58. Get this big ass tire. Get that bitch in the back. I don't even feel like picking this bitch up. Yeah, man. Y'all see this? This from that rotor being fucked up. Oh. Stab yourself. It's shirt. Skirt. 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 fit? Yeah, beautiful. Let's see. Definitely feel that bitch. Look at my build though. That bitch say bitch. So I need some bitches. We got Kalani back here like dying in water and shit. But yeah, man, we gotta drop this motherfucker in here. I'll be back after. Everydesignerron out. Peace. Change a flat tire at Target. Where I work at. What you talking about? I got a donut. That's the tire that's fucked up. Y'all see that bitch fucked up. Look at the color of that bitch. Yeah, man. I'm here shop. Peace. Alright, man. We got this motherfucker. Look at this old fucking tire, though. Like, damn, man. You really did that bitch dirty. You can't even see the little, what's the name? This bitch smooth as hell. So session. Do I want this tire to lay flat or do I just want to toss this mother? Lay this bitch down so I might get that bitch repaired or get a new one. How you getting a new one? Yeah, man, it's social. You back, man. It's back. As tight as possible. Oh, next boat. Any. Really let your utensil do all the work for real. Get to the tire part. So you tighten this motherfucker up as tight as possible. Alright, now that the tire's on, I'm gonna tighten up the bolts and then drop this motherfucker down off the jack and then see how this bitch go. This bitch is small as fuck, I don't even know. It definitely is a donut compared to that bitch. Alright, round out. YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy everydesignerron. I'm back with another video. As y'all see, just changed my tire, put the donut on there. I know I'm missing 2 bolts, but like they were stripped, so I gotta use what I got. Changed the whole tire at fucking Target. That's crazy because I work here. Alright, man. Ron reacts out. Everydesignerron out. Peace. Look at that weak ass donut on my car though. That shit is ass. We gotta go to Fast Eddie's to clean this goddamn car up. Whoa! Man, my fucking day is over. Sick of this shit, dog. Why it's not? Just getting started. I don't know about that. Just need a bug flying here. Kill it. Oh, so tired, man. So tired. This nigga Ron be having so much to do in one day. Don't make no sense. Alright, now we gotta drive and see if this bitch doable. If not, then. So, what's our destination? No self-control. I just did all that in the anti-social club hoodie. No self-control. Oh damn. I don't know why I thought the phone was flipped backwards on the back camera. I was about to show Target. Yeah. Whoever this is needs to get out of my way. So I can pull off and go. My acne cutting down bad. Teeth not though. Peace. Target plus Starbucks. Place to work.
I don't hear shit people telling me cause I'm my own breed. Mama used to work an extra shift cause I was hungry.